Hi kids. I'm Jojo. Let's learn about the 4 directions today. North, South, East, West. Say it with me again. North, South, East, West. Now, let's play a simple game to help you understand the directions. When you stand outside and point your right hand towards the sun, remember, the sun rises in the east, your right hand points east. Stretch out your left hand, that's west, where the sun sets. You're now facing south, and your back is towards the north. See kids? Now you can easily identify the 4 cardinal directions. East, West, North, South. I hope you learned something new today. See you next time. Subscribe our channel Jojo Buddy and learn more.